Guys, how are you doing? So today I've decided to visit one place. It's called ALQANA here in Abu Dhabi. It's too hot. It's around 5 o'clock and the sun, oh my goodness, it's so hot and humid. But you know what, it's always good to come out. The weather is very hot, but we have no option. Sometimes it's good to just go out and stretch a little bit, because during the day it was very hot. So I'm going to take a bus. This is a bus station. It's going to a place called ALQANA, and it will take around probably maybe like 30 minutes. Yeah, and this is the bus station. So yeah, let's go. This is a new place in Abu Dhabi. It's called ALQANA. It's very beautiful. I just realized there is some nice place like this. So beautiful. So let's see what this arena is all about. So the weather is so bad. Very beautiful. I'm heading to the boat ride. It's somewhere there. It's around 7 p.m. The boat will start at around 7:30. So I'm just walking towards the boat ride. This place is so beautiful, guys. Like, it's so beautiful. The thing is, during the day it's very hot, so you cannot walk here. So but now the weather is very nice. It's very beautiful. It's better. It's humid a little bit, but then there is no sun, so it's okay. That is the cinema.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.